We're back in the workshop and we're working on this Elite Gourmet Burner that we just got, and it doesn't work. What do you think? Can we fix it? Let's get started. So we're going to take it apart. So let's flip this over. Okay, let's give it a test and find out where this circuit's broken here. We'll come with one of our leads here and we'll test this circuit here, and it's good. We'll go down to the thermostat here, and that wire is good going in, and nothing's coming out. Okay, we have some fine sandpaper here. Let's see if we can get in there and file them down a little bit and make them smooth. On. It's working. Off. We'll turn it on. There's a light. Beautiful. Yep, and it's getting hot, so I think we got it. Alright, now let's go start cooking.